Okay, you may start now.
Yeah. Yes. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving us this opportunity, and it's a pleasure to introduce my team. I'm D. Rutvesh, and my colleagues Praneeth, Hemant. We are from Team Super Ignite, Gurnak Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Now, I like to present our cost report document for the electric vehicle. Without any further ado, let's get into the topic. So first of all, there are three types of cost in which we are segregated the cost report presentation. First thing is material cost. So here, the cost for this materials and all the raw materials used for this manufacturing process is considered in this material cost. Coming to tooling cost, here the cost for the tools and also for the consumables used are considered in this. Coming to operational cost, it consists of the process cost. I mean the machine cost, labor cost, etc. So next, coming to the present, we have break down the CRD into 5 different departments. They are frame and body, steering system, wheel assembly, braking system, powertrain, and electrical. So first, coming into frame and body, we have considered the material for the frame is chromoly steel due to its reliability and also for the ease in the pocket. So in this, the total cost of our raw materials is 5,112 rupees. We have the meter cost per this raw material is rupees 400 per meter. So the total length of the chassis we use is 12.67 meters. So next, coming to the process, first we have consider pipe bending. So for the bends, it costs us for rupees 100 per bend. The total number of bends in our chassis are 5. So total cost for the pipe bending is 500 rupees. In this 100 rupees, the labor charge is also included. Next, to join these bends and pipes, we have considered TIG welding. So for this TIG welding, it costed us around 16 rupees per inch, excluding the consumables. So the total number of weld lengths are 284 inches. So total cost for this welding and also the fillers and the labor cost costed us around 4,704 rupees. And then next is pipe notching. So this pipe notching is done on the lathe machine, which includes total number of there are total number of 42 notching points. So for each notching point, it costed us 12 rupees. This includes machining cost and also the labor cost. Next, going to the cutting and grinding process. So for the cutting and grinding process, we have used a portable angle grinder. For this total time for this, we have consumed this 160 minutes. So the operation cost is 400 rupees. And the tooling cost is 125 rupees. In this tooling cost, it is considered for the tools we have used for the cutting and grinding, and that is a cutting tool and a buffing grinding tool and the surface grinding tool. So total cost for this is 525 rupees. Next, going into the steering system. So in the steering system, we have designed the steering system and we have used for the process, sorry, and for the manufacturing process of the steering wheel, we have considered wood and also aluminum as a raw material. So for this, we have done a laser cutting. So the total time for this laser cutting is 15 minutes. So the process cost is and the labor cost costed us on total 375 rupees. Next, the steering column. We have done this on lathe machine and also that the steering column support. We have done this on lathe machine. So total time consumed for this 20 minutes. The process cost and the labor cost is total of 375 and 120 rupees. This process cost also includes the tooling cost of the lathe machine. Next, going into the drilling machine. We have used a hand drilling machine and also a drilling set. For this, the total time is 10 minutes. The cost for this is 25 rupees. Next, going into the welding, this is also a TIG welding. So the cost is same as usual. That is 16 rupees per inch. The total number of the total length of this welding is 6 inches, and the filler material costed us rupees 7. Next, going into the wheel assembly. So in this wheel assembly, the manufactured items are this stub axle and also the hub. So for this stub axle, we have considered MS rods. For this, the welding costed us on a total of 7 inches. So for this same rupees 16 per inch on the both sides. The filler material costed us on 9 rupees. The total cost of this welding is 121 rupees. Next, coming into the lathe machine. And in the lathe machine, we have done the hub and also the steering arm. So for this, the total time taken for this lathe machine is 60 minutes. So the cost of this lathe machine is rupees 1500 per hour. So in that 1500 per hour, it includes a labor cost and also process cost. Here the process cost is shown, that is 1250 rupees, and the labor cost is 250 rupees. Coming into the drilling, we have total number of 18 drills. The time taken for this drilling is 20 minutes. We have used different drill bits according to the size needed. The total cost of this drilling is rupees 38 rupees. Next, my colleague Pranit will continue this session.
Yes, thank you, Chris. Right now, I will take the charge and explain about the braking system, cost reports, and powertrain and electricals cost reports. Now, when we are coming to the braking department, we have manufactured the brake pedal, disc hub, and also the brake disc. Here, we have done the laser cutting for the plates like disc pedal, brake pedal. So here it costs around as 275 for laser cutting of the brake pedal plates. And after the laser cutting, we have joined through the welding. The weldments is cost around 35 rupees total weldments because of the uh, filler charges and also the weldment charges. And at the time of please go back to PPT. In lathe machine, we have done the disc diameter and the boring. All that things are done in the lathe machine. So it costs around 713 rupees, and the time taken is around 23 minutes, and the process cost is of 527. Labor cost is of 138, and this includes the tooling cost of the lathe machine too. Yes, Regis. Yeah. When we are coming to the powertrain and electricals, the major parts are the bot parts, but the manufacture parts are majorly the sprocket as per our required dimensions and chain guard. And also the tractive system active light is also manufactured in-house only uh, based on our requirements and the as per the rule books. Here the chain guard is done in-house only by cutting, and we have selected MS plate for this because of its easy requirements and good in strength. And here we have done the cutting around the process time of 6 minutes and operation cost of 41 rupees, and it includes the both the cutting wheel and grinding wheel cost too. And in lathe machine, we have done borings when we are in the shaft analysis based on the shaft requirements, and that is the cost of around 100 rupees, and also here includes the labor charges of 24 rupees. The process cost also includes the tooling cost too. And for joining, we have chosen the TIG welding because of its easy and low cost than the MIG welding. So we have chosen the TIG welding. Here the welding cost is based on the inches. The total weld length is around 6 inches, and the cost of welding is around 16 rupees per the inch, and filler cost is around 6 rupees. There's a slight difference between the filler of in previous and here we are due to the requirements and as per our convenience. Here the total cost is around 105 rupees. And next. Yes, we are proud to say that our bodyworks are in-house manufactured, and we have bought the raw material around 5,500 rupees. It includes the resin, fiberglass, fiber mat, and etc. Hardener and also catalyst. Here the operation cost like mixing of the resin, hardener, and also the gloves. That materials are considered in this, and the labor cost is we have shown this labor cost because of quotation and fasteners to join the bodyworks to the cart, and these are the basic total cost of the bodyworks, and it is an in-house bodyworks manufactured. Yes. And these are the purchased parts of our cart like wheels, master cylinder, calipers, chain, drive shaft. Drive shaft is based on our requirements, and secondary sprocket, bearing caps, motor, battery, etc. MCBs. These are the purchased parts. And next. The total expenditure of a vehicle is around 2.2 lakhs, and it includes different type of departments like frame and assembly, steering system, bodyworks, wheel assembly, powertrain, and drivetrain, braking system. Braking system includes the calipers, brake disc, brake hub, etc., brake pedal too. And when we coming to the frame and body works, it includes the chassis materials, processing cost, and also the weldment cost of the chassis. And steering, when we come into the steering system, we have implemented the quick release this year. The quick release system, steering wheel laser cutting system, and also the steering column. This all are includes in that. And when we are coming to the wheel and assembly, the assembly setting of the wheels and the rims, that all comes under the wheel and assembly. And when we are coming to the bodyworks, that as I earlier said, we are in-house manufacturer of the bodyworks. And when we are coming to the drivetrain, the shaft, chain, and sprocket mechanism, that all comes to the drivetrain. And powertrain and electricals, we have bought parts are the motor, controller, and accumulator. These are all the broad parts. And some of the electricals are also in-house manufactured, like tractor system active. Yeah, this is the total expenditure of our cost. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now quickly open your cost report that you have submitted, and we will give you a case to discuss.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to engine and transmission. Your combustion
Sir,
team,
we
right?
are of both teams, sir, both
No, no.
categories. Sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
completely
Electrical,
lost
sir.
you. Couldn't understand what you said.
Sir, today is our electrical carts CRD, sir. E14.
Okay, so this is the electrical vehicle. So go to motor and drivetrain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then any part that you have manufactured in house?
So in motor and means in powertrain, sir.
Yes, in powertrain.
Yes, sir. In powertrain and electricals, we have manufactured the tractor system active light, sir, and also chain guard and some as per.
Okay, let us discuss this TSL, tractive system active light you have manufactured, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Explain all the costs associated it with and the process associated with it. Explain that quickly.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. So for this tractor system active light, we have choose a raw material as a nylon block, sir. We have done the lathe operations by reducing its diameter and also its uh, length. We have first done turning operations and step turning operations. We have made a like a base plate and the top plate. In between this, we have rounded the LED strips. Sir. So for this and also for this mounting of this LED strips, we have kept a sheet inside it, and for the mounting purpose, we have done a drilling process. There are total three drills in it. We have the LED controller inside that TS